Mars gold, Hercules and his gifts, Spider-Man's control, and Batman with his...
Unity is a strength. When there is a teamwork and collaboration, wonderful things can be achieved.
How much you wanna risk? I'm not looking for somebody with some superhuman gifts, some superheroes, some fairy tale bliss, just something I can touch.
Magtatapos man ang proyekto na ito, pero mananatili ang mga memoryang pinagsaluhan natin sa aming puso at isipan. Nandito pa rin si ate at kuya, proud na proud sa inyo. Huwag kayong titigil sa pagkatuto dahil ang pagbabasa ay isa sa pinakamahalagang kasanayan na magdadala sa inyo sa mas magandang kinabukasan.
That's why, Mayor, I will take this opportunity to thank for your leadership to initiate this sakayan sa kaalaman. This actually made the lives of our teachers, the life ng burden ng mga teachers namin in terms of reading.
We will continue to do our work. We will continue to support the youth. We will continue to open up opportunities not only for the children and the students, but also for the volunteers who have spent their time, their patience and energy in order to develop the young people. So, maraming salamat po. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
So, ito ang example na hindi pwedeng ay trabaho lang nila yan. Kung saan ho tayo pwedeng magtulungan tayo. So, yun ho ang isang magandang kwento ng Sakayang Kaalaman. Reading is one of the most powerful tools we can give a child. It opens doors to imagination, knowledge, and lifelong learning. A child who reads grows into an adult who thinks, questions, and understands the world in deeper ways. And may you be a better Isabelenyo in the future.